Let's do tapping around self-love, and let's start on the side of the hand. I struggle to love and accept myself. It's hard to love myself. Even though I feel this way, I'm learning to forgive myself for being so judgmental. I deserve love and kindness, just like everybody else. So today I'm determined to transform this self-judgment into self-love. Let's go to the eyebrow point. I feel not good enough. I'm lacking self-love. I'm always so critical of myself. I judge myself a lot. It's not easy to love myself, but it's okay. I'm willing to recognize all these feelings. I'm choosing to release judgments around them. What if I'm worthy of my own love? I can learn to be kinder to myself. It won't happen overnight, but I'm open to the idea that I'm enough just as I am. I'm letting go of self-criticism. I'm opening myself up to self-compassion. I deserve love, especially from myself. I'm embracing all of my strengths and positive qualities. I love and accept myself wholeheartedly. I choose to celebrate myself just as I am. I'm filling myself up with love and compassion now. I'm worthy of my own love and respect. And the more I love myself, the more others will mirror that back to me. All right, take a deep breath in and release. Do that as many times as you'd like until you feel like you filled your own cup with love.